Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best treadmills for senior walking that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, NordicTrack Commercial 2950. If you want the true top-of-the-class treadmill, you must go with a NordicTrack model, as its commercial models deliver excellent performance and a perfect workout experience, especially 2950. This device is equipped with a 22-inch large touchscreen that delivers a great virtual workout experience. On top of that, a very powerful motor, it is foldable, and plenty of other features that will not leave much to be desired. The NordicTrack Commercial 2950 is equipped with a spacey running space that measures 22 inches wide and 60 inches long, so you can run on it without adjusting your stride. On top of that, the is made from 2-ply, and it is stretch-resistant and can take plenty of abuse without showing any signs of wear or tear. In addition to this, it is equipped with a runner's flex cushioning technology that delivers plenty of comfort for your ankles and knees. At number 4. ProForm 2000. The ProForm 2000 has a pretty spacey running track that is 22 inches wide and about 60 inches long, so it is the widest so far, so you can try out your sprints here. It is also equipped with the ProShocks cushioning system that does a perfect job of absorbing the impact, as aged runners know that you should strike the ground with your feet, and that may damage your ankles and knees over time. The treadmill is also capable of being set on an incline and decline, specifically on a -3% decline and 15% on an incline, so you can reap the maximum benefits of your runs. The ProForm 2000 is equipped with a pretty powerful motor of 3.5 continuous horsepower, providing you a smooth experience, an astonishing speed of 12 miles per hour, and as little as 0.5 miles per hour. At number 3, Horizon Fitness T101. If you want to give treadmills a try, you can't go wrong with a great entry-level model that is great for walking and some light running, such as the Horizon Fitness T101. This may not be the most advanced model or the most feature-rich on the market. However, it delivers tremendous value for its price, and it is unique and convenient. You won't be disappointed with this durable and solid treadmill. While it may not be a commercial-grade treadmill, the Horizon Fitness T101 delivers plenty of sturdiness on its construction, as it is premium assembled and every part is tested, and it has limited warranty for its parts. On top of that, it has a lifetime warranty for its chassis and motor, meaning that the company has a lot of faith in the T101. It has a 20-inch wide and 55-inch long running belt, which is plenty even for running, but I would say that it is better suited for walking, as you can't pick up a faster pace. The cushioning is pretty minimal as it doesn't have any built-in features, however, it is still pretty good. At number 2, Best Choice Products 800W Folding Electric Treadmill. Products mean a little more at BCP. We work hard to build innovative, popular, and timeless items that will thrive in your home. Behind your favorite Best Choice product is a team developing the next best thing. When building our products, BCP does the heavy lifting for you. Before an item makes it to your home, it must first pass quality tests and our final stamp of approval. Every step of a product counts, and we never compromise high quality. Being a better you is an easier road with support, and while we can't physically help along the way, we're happy to provide helpful tools for success. Kettlebells, treadmills, and gym mats are just some of BCP's fitness handpicks. Finally, at number 1, NordicTrack TSeries 6.5C Treadmill. Our library of on-demand workouts feature automatic trainer control, where our world-class trainers digitally control your speed and incline for a great workout. Take your workout to the next level with impressive decline and incline capabilities. With IFIT, your trainer will auto-adjust your treadmill to mimic real-world terrain. After each workout, you can easily fold your T6.5S treadmill up and out of the way for compact storage that maximizes your living space. Our cushioning allows you to engage dampeners to soften the impact on your joints or simulate a real road running experience with a single turn. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.